Welcome back for another video. You can probably hear that I'm not well. I'm a bit ill, but I'm so excited. I want to do this pour. It is in my head. I know that I am too enthusiastic to sleep. I don't know if you recognize that. Last night I got this idea. I've had it for a long time in my head, but now it all came together. So I'm very excited. But I'm not going to talk you through. I'm going to show you the colors and I'm going to tell you what I envisioned. And then I'm just going to start and you can listen to some music and enjoy. So I'm starting with my base color. Now, starting with my base color. This is a custom color of white, maybe a little bit orangey, pinky. Very nice color. My paints are mixed with Owatrol floetrol. That is European floetrol. And I mixed some very pale greens. This one, another one, and the last pale pink is this one. So very pale pinks that I'm going to use in my top half of my painting. The other half will be just the base paint, and then I'm going to use some darker greens to make a very nice botanical thing, and I hope it will work out. Then I will just put down some stripes of paint, blow them out with a straw and make it a very fine, delicate botanical piece. And maybe even I will add some flowers with the bloom technique, but I'm not sure about that. So if you want to know anything about my consistency, the colors, the brands, you can find that in the description box. And I'm going to start painting. Have fun!
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you everything?
So here is the dried result of my botanical piece. You saw that I add some flowers. I really like the movement of the petals. Really like it. Happy that I added a green background on top. But also I found some things that I would do different next time, as I always do. I want the background color a bit darker. I would love to have the petals a bit smaller and delicate. And I think I'm going to try that someday. I've got a lot of ideas and paintings on my list that I want to try and do. So, but for now, I'm happy with this piece. Very nice. I hope you've already subscribed my channel. It is free. Please consider it if you haven't done it yet. And give me a thumbs up. It would really help my channel if you like this video. Have a nice day.